Hi everybody. I thought I'd do a very quick video of this of how I make this rich and flavorful ponzu sauce that I use in a variety of dishes. In fact, I'll be showcasing it later today with a seared ahi tuna video that I'll be uploading soon. So on that note, let's just go ahead and just dive right in. I should point out this is not a traditional ponzu sauce, but it's a way to quickly prepare it. It starts with soy sauce as a base. Now, I typically use a gluten-free soy sauce like tamari soy sauce, but you could use any type. You don't have to be exact on the measurement here, but I typically use about a quarter cup or the juice of one lemon, and also a quarter cup or juice of one orange or a mandarin. A little mirin, which is like a sweetened Japanese sake. Some rice vinegar to add a little bit more acidity. And a piece of konbu seaweed for that umami flavor. I bring it to a simmer, then let me turn the heat off here and I'll cover it and just let it sit for about 30 minutes. Alright, that's good. So I'll remove the konbu and then let's go ahead and strain it. So that's it. I'm going to throw this in the fridge for now to chill, but look out for my seared tuna tataki video so you can see how I incorporate this into a dish. Until next time, buon appetit!